So today is the day for Deepawali, the grand celebrations, the grandest of all celebrations. So many historical events happened on this particular day, one of the most auspicious days on the planet. And on this day, I wish you the very best. May Ma Lakshmi provide you, shower you with all possible wealth and fame and fortune that you've been seeking. Ma Saraswati provide you the wisdom and the courage to use those resources well and for the goodness of mankind. And may Lord Ganesh give you the auspicious beginning to any new venture that you are seeking to begin from now on. Having said that, I'm eagerly waiting for the day to begin. I've bought all the flowers. I've been spending quite a few days cleaning up my homes, getting rid of all unnecessary things, all the clutter, going for deep cleaning. And I'm pretty sure that all of you have been doing exactly the same, buying flowers, decorating your, the place of worship, cleaning your home. But at this point of time, I would also like to bring to you something very important that a lot of people, unfortunately, are missing from the Deepavali celebrations. These days, we are getting so caught up in gifting and buying stuff and decorating. Sometimes we decorate based on what others would comment, how it would look, how the photographs would look, of your decorated home in the Facebook, in the social media, what kind of clothes I'm going to wear. Well, those are important, right? I'm not saying that's not important. Your happiness should reverberate, should make other people happy. However, in all this, we seem to be forgetting the most important concept about Deepavali, and that's the cleaning. The process of cleaning is just not only just physical cleaning. It is also, yes, there's a lot of physical aspect to it that at least once a year, you'll go for a deep cleaning of your entire home. You'll get into all the niches and the crevices of your home, make sure that everything is taken care of. But when you do that, you come across so many things that, oh, wait a second, when did I buy this? When did I get that? What is this doing here? I've been searching for this for so long. And a lot of revolutions happen. You sit with your family members talking about, hey, this is the time when I bought it, but all these years you've not used it. And that's why you try to get rid of it, give it to somebody else who needs it more. And basically, you declutter your life. Unfortunately, of late, what has happened is instead of decluttering on these days because of all the sales and things that happen in various social forms or various malls, we actually add to the clutter, which actually is just the opposite of what we were supposed to be doing. Buying new stuff is not a bad thing, but buying unnecessary stuff, well, it clutters up your life and it takes and occupies a lot of your thought process, which you could have used for more productive stuff. But at the same time, when we talk about physical cleaning, getting rid of the clutter, making sure, taking decisions, what you need, what you don't need in life. What is the basic stuff that you can survive with or in fact live very well with? Things that you're not using, they look good in the photographs or on the mall shelf and you bought it, but it's of no use. The way you declutter your physical world, physical area or space that you live in, it's also very important to declutter your brain. Take some moment during the day today or tomorrow to sit apart. Think of all the things that you've compiled in your brain through social media, through acidic reporting, through all the events that are happening, through the biases that you have developed, through the different kind of racisms that you have unknowingly or knowingly imposed on yourself against people just because of difference in color, religion, sex, or anything. Get rid of them. Try to analyze which are the thought processes which are so important for you to do the things that you want to do. Just like you declutter your physical world, it is even more important to declutter your brain, to your emotions, your thinking, your perceptions. It's very important. Otherwise, what happens is just like too many physical things, it's taking away a lot of your time to just clean them, maintain them, time that you could have utilized somewhere else for your objective work. Similarly, if you have too many thoughts, too many pulling emotions, they are actually deviating you from the single life goal or the goals that you have in your life. And therefore, you're losing way, just like Alice in Wonderland. It's very dangerous. This is symbolic in nature. This cleaning is symbolic from the point of view of decluttering your mind, your emotions. This is very important. And what better day than Deepawali, where all so many historical events have coincided as a confluence to this specific date. It's the most auspicious beginning on the planet, right? Look at the planetary alignments on this day. It's unbelievable. So many positive forces. That's why you feel good, happy from within. That's what I mean. Use this day today to declutter your mind. Get your focus back. The essential emotions, the essential thought process that will get you to do what you really set out to do in your one single life that you have. Having said that, this is Manish Vijay from PM Pulse bringing to you the best of wishes this Deepavali, and in all purposes, this becomes your a brand new beginning of a new you. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.